everybody, I'm Lynn from Pocketful of Paint, and today I'm going to help you fix a problem. When you put shiplap on your walls, your outlets become recessed. They're set back in, so you can't put the covers back on. I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. All you're gonna need for this project are 3 things: outlet spacers, a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna need to go get longer screws to screw your outlet into the wall. Depending on the thickness of your shiplap, that will determine how long your screw needs to be. Before you get started, please go turn off the power to this section of the house. You don't wanna end up like this. After you've safely turned off the power to that section of your house, you're going to unscrew the outlet from your wall. Then you're going to take your spacers, and depending on the thickness of your shiplap, you'll use between 6 and 9 spacers. You fold them together, clipping them together, and then you set them behind the outlet. Put your screw through the hole and screw it back into the wall. Now you're ready to put your outlet cover back on the wall. And voila, you are done. Thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope it helped you to be able to finish up one of those DIY projects at your house. If you thought this video was helpful and you liked it, I would love if you subscribe to my channel and like this video below. To find the spacers that I used in this shiplap project, or to be my buddy on Instagram, or to find me on my blog, check out the links in the description below. And thanks so much for watching.